We print all types of magazines, forms, posters, provides anything you need as far as printing is concerned. When they come in this print shop, it's like going to a real job out in the world. We treat them as if they were not just inmates, but as human beings equal to us. They learn a lot of skills. They learn work ethics. This is a trade.
I love routine, I love structure. Getting up every day, having that routine, early morning, it makes my time go by. And this is what you do in the world if you want to, have structure in the world with your job. And so coming here, the people I work with, my boss, my fellow coworkers, it feels like I'm at a free world job. And so I take a lot of pride in that. And just doing what I do every day, I actually enjoy my job.
There's so many different skills they learn. They learn how to use tools. They learn how to see color. In the warehouse, they learn how to drive forklifts, drive hand jacks. There's so many skills in this print shop that you can learn. They learn a work ethic that they can take with them. There's so many that get out and they'll call back and say, Mr. Beck, I got a good job.
I'm a graphic designer, so basically once we receive a job, it's my job to set it up for printing. And sometimes jobs come to us already ready to go, print ready, and other times we design from scratch. Well, working in here, we have the graphic design apprenticeship class, so that was really helpful when I first came in here, learning the software, because you're coming in from the street and not everybody knows the ins and outs of the software. Being able to study in the class and actually do the job, that was really powerful and meaningful to help us grow in here. So this has given me the tools and resources I need to be employable, to earn an earnable wage, a livable wage, and enjoy what I'm doing.